All right, turning to the weather now. It's not too hard on the weather map to figure out where the cold front is. I mean, it's 17 degrees cooler than it was 24 hours ago in Chicago, 30 degrees cooler in Omaha, but on the East Coast, 21 degrees warmer than it was 24 hours ago in Albany. And we're going to be in the mild sector today. That will allow temperatures to get to their highest numbers of 2023 to date. So it's 40 degrees in Amsterdam right now, 32 up in Lake Pleasant. We're already pushing 50 in Cooperstown, and we'll go a lot higher than that during the afternoon today. We are seeing kind of a murky start to the day with some showers around. It's 44 degrees at our Freihofer Skycam in Schenectady. Just some light to moderate showers pushing on through as we look at our CBS 6 instant Doppler. It seems like the heavier or steadier activity is a little bit further to the west, but some of these yellow and oranges over the higher terrain could be a little bit of a mix of sleet that you're seeing over there. Now, there are several more rounds of showers to go this morning. You see breaking out from basically Williamsport to Binghamton. So just waves of showers, maybe a rumble of thunder, but not a high chance of that. And then we kind of get into a warm sector, basically from Pittsburgh to Indianapolis. They're getting mostly sunny skies right now, and their temperatures are going to spike. We're going to be in that warm sector during the afternoon, but then look at these showers near Chicago. That's really going to blossom and give us some strong to severe storms later on this afternoon. So it's going to be a little bit of everything, but once again, we are going to have those strong to severe storms. That would be late this afternoon into the early evening. As we look at temperatures, I mean, we're already in the 60s in parts of the mid-Atlantic. It's 66 in DC. It's 49 in Albany. So a piece of that air mass is coming during the afternoon today. So as we look at those high temperatures today, we are going to be near 70 degrees. It's going to be all across the East Coast. So the Yankees, I believe, play at 4 o'clock. It's going to feel like a June baseball game down there. 71 degrees in Schenectady, 70 in Albany. Winds as high as 40 miles per hour. So it will be breezy, but I want to repeat that during the first part of the afternoon, it should be a really nice day. And then it gets a little bit dicey between, say, 6 and 9 o'clock across the area. I think it's 6 to 7 across the Catskills, 7 to 8 over the Hudson Valley and the Capital Region, and then 8 to 9 over western New England. But there will be a line of strong to severe storms pushing on through that could contain some pretty gusty winds, and then behind that it will get sharply colder tonight into the day tomorrow. So watch how everything plays out. During this morning, we are going to get those waves of showers, but temperatures will be in the 50s, so not concerned about any sort of mixing, even in the highest terrain. Maybe over the next hour, there's a slim chance, but I think after that, no more mixing. And then during the afternoon, we're seeing mostly sunny conditions. We're near the 70s. Hudson Valley could be in the mid-70s, approaching maybe 73, 74 degrees, but even the cooler spots are in the 60s. And then here comes that line of storms pushing on in from the west, and this is basically a squall line, and those are typically responsible for gusty winds, so I think that's certainly possible again between that 6 and 9 o'clock time frame from west to east across the area. And then we turn sharply colder after that. There could even be a few showers around in the higher terrain going over to some light snow showers overnight tonight, but then we all clear out and give way for a chilly start to the day tomorrow, and we don't get out of the 40s during the afternoon despite ample sunshine, although the April sun should make it feel a little bit warmer, but on the thermometer, not going to get out of the 40s. So for this afternoon, around 68 to 73 degrees, sunny, warm, and windy, but then those strong storms pushing on through 6 to 7 o'clock, and a gusty wind all afternoon, and could be even stronger embedded in those thunderstorms. Those storms basically linger through around 9 o'clock, then some isolated showers after that. Then it turns sharply colder late. I keep mentioning sharply, but it's going to be such a big drop in numbers from 70s to the 20s. Northwest, 15 to 25 miles per hour, and those gusts at 40 miles per hour throughout the overnight hours. And then tomorrow, we start off the day with a lot of wind. I think the winds pull back a little bit in the afternoon, but it's a wintry feel outside, 40 to 45 degrees, and it is mostly sunny, so that should help the temperature a little bit feel a bit warmer. So here's your 7-day forecast, and we do have a couple of rain chances throughout the week. Monday night as well as Tuesday. I think the highest risk would be Wednesday, but take a look at temperatures in the 60s. It does turn a little bit cooler after that. Jackie?
What a difference a day makes. Thank you, Sam. Phil